हाय गाइस, मेरे चैनल में आपका स्वागत है। I might be a little over dramatic today because I'm over excited today क्योंकि I'm going to Goa. Yes, I'm going to Goa. I'm going to Goa with my college friends and सबसे बड़ी बात, सबसे खुशी की बात यह है कि मेरे पेरेंट्स को पता है that I'm going to Goa. छुप के नहीं जाना पड़ रहा मुझे। तो हाँ, और आपको टाइटल से पता लग ही गया होगा कि आज का वीडियो किस बारे में है। पैक विद मी। मैंने सोचा था कि ये मैं वीडियो वेडनेसडे को डालूंगी क्योंकि थोड़ा इन्फॉर्मेटिव भी है और कैसे पैक करना है ब्ला ब्ला ब्ला। बट देन आई थॉट आई एम नॉट अ लाइट ट्रेवलर, तो आप लोग मेरे वीडियो से क्या ही सीख लोगे ना। तो बस दिस वीडियो इज जस्ट टू शो यू गाइज what all am I taking with me and I'm over excited. I'm so happy. I can't stop smiling. Tomorrow we are leaving and my friends, they are coming from Punjab, my college friends. So आज पहुंच जाएंगे वो, तो कल हम निकलेंगे यहाँ से। So before starting, आपको बता दो, this is not the first time I'm going to go. I've been there once, but then it was a very impromptu plan. आज रात डिसाइड किया जाना and then कल tomorrow morning I was there. So कोई टाइम नहीं था पैक करने का, कुछ नहीं था एंड ज़्यादा नहीं देखा, मतलब बीचेस देखा मैंने, लेकिन चर्च वगैरह मैंने साउथ गोवा नहीं देखा बेसिकली। एंड इस बार आई ट्राई टू एक्सप्लोर लिटिल बिट एंड शो यू गाइज ऑल्सो। तो एंड अबाउट पैकिंग, आई एम नॉट गुड एट पैकिंग। दिस इज हाउ माई बेड लुक्स राइट नाउ। या सो दीज आर my dresses, 1 2 3 4 club, 4 nights 4 dresses. And then these are my shorts, 2 denim shorts, dark light, and then 1 black short, and oops, he's gir gaya, koi na. And this is a pant, white pant. So 4 bottoms is enough, I guess. I have skirts also, and these are the skirts. 1 2 3 and 4 and 5 skirts. Next we have shirts which is not ironed. White shirt, floral shirt, and this is, I don't know, I love this design, actually this shirt. And then 1 animal print shirt, and then this is a crop top, and this is a t-shirt. Just 1 t-shirt I'm taking with me because I don't really wear t-shirt that much. So yeah, 1 2 3 4 5 6, so 6 top. So these are my clothes for 4 days and 4 nights. And here I'm carrying 1 jeans. These jeans, they're really comfortable and I might wear it to the airport also, but I'm not sure. I haven't decided what to wear to the airport because our flight is really early morning, so it will be cold. So I'll decide it later. And then 1 belt which is nice and I might use it. Room pe pehenne ke liye I have pajamas, t-shirt, 1 more bralette, you can say. This is kind of bralette but more like a crop top, shorts, and 1 jersey. This is really comfortable to wear, so yeah. Gladiators, 1 pair of shoe. Second is this flip-flops, 2, and here it's written peach baby, but I wanted beach baby, but that's okay. Number 2, and then this is third one, shoes. I'm just carrying 1 shoe and 1 pair of socks because beach mein to I won't wear shoes, so this is just for traveling, I guess. And this is all clean, washed. Number 3, and then 1 pair of heels. This is for the club. And about bags, this is 1 sling bag. You might have seen it before in my vlog, and this is Alice's bag which I borrowed because it's really cute and she will be taking, okay, I didn't tell you, she's also going with me. So these 2 I'm taking and she is taking mine. And this is a bag which has a beachy print here, like ball and the waves, and this is the lighthouse, I guess. So this is really cute. Here I'll be carrying when I'll go to the beach, I will carry these stuffs. This is my phone stand, this is my selfie stick and mic. So this is for you guys, so that you guys can travel with me. And yeah, charger and my watch. Now let's move here. I'm carrying 3 pair of earrings. This is one. This is very vibrant, so this might look good on the beach. And then this is number 2. And number 3 is this. I don't think I'll be wearing all these, but I might want to wear. So yeah, I'm just taking 3. And this is a necklace. I'll show it to you guys later. And 2 scrunchies. 1, 2, and my sunglasses. I just have one and I think it's fine. And then my bandana and a clutcher. So 2 scrunchies, a clutcher, a bandana and earrings and 1 necklace, which I'll not take off. I'll be wearing this for 4 days because this is good for beach also and this is good for clubbing also. So yeah. And this is a really cute towel. Flamingos bane hain is pe. This is so cute. Okay, and then a book. You might have seen my vlog where I bought this book and I haven't finished it yet. So if I'll get time there at night or maybe while traveling, I'll finish this. So yeah. Next is I'm carrying 2 swimsuit with me. Pair of bikini. This is top and this is bottom. So 1 pair. And this is the second swimsuit I'm carrying with me. I am just taking a chance, guys. I don't know if I can wear bottom because my mom will be watching. So after this vlog, if she is like, she doesn't call me and tell me not to take these with me, I will not wear. But then if she is quiet after this vlog, then I will be wearing a bikini for the first time. And this is bunch of bras or you can say bikini top. So 1, 2, 3, 4 black and blue, 5, 6, 7, 8 bikini tops I'm carrying. 4 days 8 top because it will get wet, no? And I'll need more. And this is leave it. And this is the cutest thing. So this I got from Miniso. ये अभी भरना बाकी है. This is empty. So I'm carrying hand wash here, my face wash, Colgate, mouthwash, and a soap because we are not staying in hotel. We have booked Airbnb, so we might not get anything there. So we have to carry everything ourselves. So yeah, this is half of my toiletries, and the rest you don't want to see. Here I have Mamaearth ka face pack, which I might need it after getting tan, and earbuds, though it is my necessity. After taking shower, after getting wet, I need it. Unless मतलब जब तक मैं यूज़ नहीं करती ना ये, तो मुझे ऐसा नहीं लगता कि I'm all clean. And this is a hair serum. बीच में पूरे बाल ख़राब हो जाते हैं तो yeah. And this is remover, makeup remover. So I might not do heavy makeup, but थोड़ा makeup तो करना ही पड़ेगा. And then shampoo आके I'll remove it and then apply this pack. And this is a moisturizer, sanitizer, body moisturizer. खत्म होने वाला है but चल जाएगा शायद. So the last time I went to Goa, I was not carrying a sunscreen. How dumb. So this time मैंने सबसे पहले यही पैक किया, sunscreen. That was it for my packing. I don't know if it's too less or too much, but I think it's okay. हम 4 लोग जा रहे हैं, तो मैं आपको ना बजट का वो सब अगर आपको जानना है तो मैं अगले ब्लॉग में बताऊंगी आपको. और excluding your personal expenses, traveling food, stay, and वहाँ का transportation. These 4 I can cover. So if you want to know the budget for Goa after pandemic, so watch me on my next vlog and do not miss my vlogs, guys. Please, आगे miss मत करना. It will be really, really, really fun. And also, this is the first like a vacation trip with my friends. I've been, no, I haven't before. Yeah, that was just a small trip, so that was not a vacation kind of trip. This will be my first proper 4 nights 5 days vacation trip, so I'm very excited. I wish me good travels and अच्छे से पहुँचूंगी तो अच्छे ब्लॉग बनाऊंगी तो अच्छे दिखाऊंगी, है ना. अच्छा, वो नेकलेस पहन के दिखाती हूँ मैं आपको. This is the necklace I was talking to you about. I love it. It's so pretty. I got this from Shein and this was really cheap, around 200-300 rupees. And do not forget to watch my upcoming vlogs, please. I'll work really hard for making the vlogs, so do not miss, and I hope you'll enjoy. So I'll be uploading next week because this week I'll be all busy in the beach. So yeah. Okay, then I'll see you. Tata, take care, bye.